My name's Iain Couzin. I'm at the Max Planck Institute of Animal Behaviour and the University of Konstanz in Germany. I was delighted to be invited to be part of the programme on the mathematics of movement. There's a growing body of researchers, interdisciplinary researchers around the world, focusing on how and why animals move the way they do. And this is really critical information if we're going to develop a quantitative understanding of animal movement and interactions, which of course is fundamental for addressing the biodiversity crisis that we face at the moment. My lecture will focus on collective animal behaviour, how and why animals come together and the remarkable things that they can do when doing so. So I'll cover a broad spectrum from insect swarms to fish schools, even to human crowds. And the common feature that ties these systems together is that there's communication, there's information. And these hidden networks of information that we've never been able to see before, because they have no physical form, we can now reveal using new computational and mathematical tools that allows us, for example, to reconstruct the visual fields of individuals, to work out how they translate what they see from the animal's perspective, what they see into what they do, and then we can reconstruct these networks of communication to understand these principles, because animals have evolved over millennia to process information, to avoid predators, to find food, and we can learn a lot by understanding how they've solved these problems. And indeed, we apply these methodologies then to robotics to allow us humans to control robots in autonomous ways that have never been possible before.